Dalal.
I am Goretti Pombo.
I'm Oji.
My name is Gamze.
I'm Luna.
My art practice is centered around public space, rooted in the origins of graffiti, of reclaiming public space.
My practice is about playful yet unsettling world building.
I found myself to consistently be a musician and a curious person, so I also end up dabbling in research a lot.
My work is about weaving together heritage, storytelling, craft, ritual and resistance.
I work a lot with supermarket culture. I also like to draw, like to paint, cook also a lot. The mediums come a bit second. My concept is like how I develop my art.
I think a happening to me is very much this planned organic disruption of daily life, disruption of public space.
Everyone's living their own different worlds. And I think a happening is where the outline of one world to another becomes so apparent, but somehow they can interact with each other.
It's a modern manifestation of ancient rituals where the boundaries between audience, artist, space is disappeared.
A disruptive act of creativity responding to today's urgent.
Happenings really have to do with tijdsgeest. We see what is happening in the time of today, and then we see how we react to these things. I think it's very proactive, and then drawing people's attention to the issues, or then trying to attack these issues in our own way. It could be a very radical way, it could be a humorous way.
I hope that I come out of it really looking at this in a very different manner, thinking of my practice. If it means like completely letting go of it and doing something new, I'd be very interested in that.
Play a bit around with how to share the stories and to get them to the right communities also. Because sometimes we fall in this habit of being with the same kind of institutions and people, and then your work doesn't touch base where it needs to touch base. So I really want to focus on that as my goal.
I don't have the need to discover new things as much as I just also desire to deconstruct.
New ways, new way of thinking, new way of creating. And with my temporary community in here, when we are creating together, working together, find a balance between us. That's what I hope for this year.
I believe that organizing collectively is one of the solutions for our current, zeitgeist, our time where we are in now. I hope that we can really create a stronger movement. This is really my hope, that we can feed something bigger than us.
And I think at the pace of where the group is at right now, it makes me really excited for all of the science fiction logics that we're gonna somehow come up with and be obsessive over and then perform.